Hi guys, Happy New Year. So today we are going to make New Year dessert and it's a sweet carrot halwa. Carrots are good source of vitamin A. So first of all we have 2 kgs of carrots here. You have to cut out top part and the little bottom part of carrots and then peel them. And after that you need to thoroughly wash these carrots with water. And here then we will grate the carrots with grater. So we have grated 2 kg of carrots here, and after that then we will turn on the heat and add 2 cups of milk to this, 1 and 2. Now we will cover it with lid and let the carrots cook for around 15 to 20 minutes. Once carrots are cooked, we will open the lid. So let it cook now. So while carrots are being cooked, take some almonds, around 10 to 12 pieces, and also kismis or raisins, and soak them in water. And here I have taken cardamoms. Take 2 or 3 cardamoms and peel them. We have to ground their seeds. These cardamoms will add aroma to the carrot halwa. So I am going to grind them. So here carrots are cooked properly. Now we will add sugar and mix it and let it cook for another 5 minutes. Now after 5 minutes add chopped almonds and raisins and also ground cinnamon and 2 tablespoons of ghee or butter. Let it simmer for another 5 minutes. Carrot halwa is ready now. I hope you try this recipe. Please share your experiences in the comment box and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.